You will use two different techniques with your colored pencils, shading and burnishing. Shading is applying light, even pressure. You can overlap colors to mix them. Burnishing is applying harder pressure to achieve a waxy look. You always want to complete your shading before you move on to burnishing. As with all materials, you will use the direction of your pencil strokes to help show the form of what you are coloring. Be sure to check out the accessories on our website. For additional assistance, email us at info@icreateartkit.com.